Hello students, hope you are all fine and fit. So since I had a limited resource, so I could make this video to the best of my capability. So excuse me if you don't understand or the words are not clear. So I'm trying my level best to make it clear to you. So let's get started. So today's topic is report writing. So what is report writing? Children, this is very important from exam point of view, okay? Now let's get started. What does the word report writing means? The word report comes from the Latin word reportere. So let's break this word reportere, re and portere. What does re means? Again or back, and portere means to carry. So the word report comes from the Latin word reportere, which means to carry. So what does this mean? A report means to carry the information about an event to a person who was not present at the scene or at the time when the event took place. So it is just a description of an event or happening carried back to someone who was not present during the event's occurrence. For example, suppose you had witnessed some event program or any other accidents or any other events. So now you are directly there, okay? I am not there. Now when I ask you for the report, you will tell me the happenings in a report form. So there is a format to be formed. So you will, whatever you have witnessed, you will inform to me. You will write a report so that I can get a clear image of that. That is report writing. Now, in this unit, we will cover the features of writing a good report, structure and report of trouble, lab report and progress report. Okay. Now it's very important. What are the essentials or what are the characteristics of a good report? How do we write a good report? The first and the foremost important point is that the report should always be clear and logical. The report should be clear and logical. What does this mean? It should be logically structured with relevant facts. Second, selectivity. This is very important. Careful choice of words enables the writer to convey his meaning in the correct way. So his choice of words should be correct so as to make his sentence or make his message clear to the readers. Okay. Then comes the accuracy. We should write an accurate information. We should verify the facts and give the arguments in a logical manner. We should never try to misguide the readers or by giving wrong information. Okay. Next comes the objectivity. Now, report is a dealing with a specific problem. Okay. Therefore, the objectivity should be very clear. Next comes the clarity. As the name suggests, as the word suggests, report should be very clear enough so that it can answer the queries of the reader. Whatever queries, whatever the questions or whatever doubts the reader has, it should be clarified. So our report should be clear in such a way. Okay. Next we come on to the headings and subheadings. So it is divided into headings and subheadings according to the information above. So headings will cover the main important facts and subheadings will have the small units broken down. Okay. Same way sections and subsections also. Main section is there and the subsections, it's divided into small parts. Okay. Next is the conciseness. As the word conciseness means the report should be very precise in a short manner. As I always tell you, whatever we write in a concise way means everything summarized in a nutshell. It should have logical facts and it should have all the important facts in a concise or a brief manner. Okay. Next comes the simple. The report should be as simple as possible without the use of hi-fi ornamental words. See students, it's very important whatever we do the write-ups. The first thing is that in communication skill, whatever you write, it should convey the message clearly to the audience. So we should use a simple language with simple vocabulary and avoid ornamental, artificial words. Next comes the sensitivity. This is also an important part in report writing. And so sensitivity to the problems and process of research undertaken should be maintained. Next comes the readable. the report should be written in such a way to arouse, so as to arouse the interest of the readers. The readers should be very interested. So it should be readable, okay? And by arousing the interest of the reader by inclusion of impressive style and colorful adjectives. The style of writing should be in such a way to so that the readers have an interest in reading. Next is analytic. The report should be concluded by raising the main problem with suggestion and proper recommendation. Okay. Now we go on to the structure of a formal report. Now what is the structure of a formal report? It is divided into three main parts: the front matter, the main body, and the back matter. Okay. The front matter includes the cover page or the title page, acknowledgements, that means thanking the person, whoever have helped you in the writing the report, and table of contents includes the list of the sections, and then the abstract or the brief summary of the report. Then we come on to the main body. So as in essays or any other write-ups, we have the main body, which includes the introduction, okay, the methodology, how you're going to work on it, description about the report, discussions if any, and whatever findings or data you have, and then the final conclusion. Okay, so this forms the main body. And then we come to the back matter. Back matter includes the appendix, the list of references, bibliography, glossary, index, and signature. Okay, so these are the three main parts of a formal report. Okay, hope you all understood, students. Any doubts, please clarify it with me. So that's all for today. Thank you. The next section will be on the types of reports. Okay.